Hey friends, so I just wanted to come to you and do a tutorial on foundation and how to apply it correctly and just little tips and tricks on just how to get a smooth look with your foundation. So first off, you always need to start out with a clean slate. Whatever you have time to do, if you have time to wash your face, wash it. Or if you don't, you can always go to and use the good and trusty makeup wipes. These are some Burt's Bees ones. I really like these. Or you can always get some toner and a cotton round and just wipe it around your face several times and then just let that dry. So next I'm gonna go in with a moisturizer. And this is just a daytime moisturizer by Este Lauder. And it's got an SPF in it, which is wonderful. You always need some sunscreen. And then I'm just gonna put little spots all over my face. And I don't wanna put too much because my skin's not that dry, but it's not that oily. It's kind of normal, but it's also a combination because I do get an oily T-zone. So I'm not gonna put as much on the center of my forehead, my nose. And always moisturize your neck. A little extra shine to shine through my foundation. MAC has this wonderful cream. It's called MAC Strobe Cream. You can use it on any part of your body. Just keep out of your eyes. I'm just gonna take a little bit and I'm gonna put it in the high points of my face, kind of where I would want my highlight to be, like the gleam. Put that on with a brush if you'd like. If you have any left over, you can always put some on your collarbones. It's the summertime, we all kind of want that glow. And normally I would do my brows first, but since we're just doing this foundation routine right now, I'm just gonna go onto the foundation. I'm gonna use this Kat Von D Lock-It foundation. I'm sorry, I'm kind of messy with my makeup, so it's never clean. I'm just gonna squirt a little on my hand because I don't know where my little palette thing is. And then I just want a little extra glare, so I can also take either, you could take a liquid highlight and put it in your foundation for a little bit of extra dewiness, because this is a very full coverage foundation, or you could take the same MAC Strobe Cream and put it in there. And I think I'm gonna just mix in a little bit of my Cover FX highlighting drops, just to give me a little bit more of a dewy look. I'm just gonna drop about 2 drops in there. Let me just show you on my hand. I'm just gonna mix that in and put little dots all over my face. Today I'm gonna go in with my Artis brush, and you can use any type of brush really with a foundation. You want more of a dense brush so you have it's out better, it has more density to blend out and not smear your product, just not streak your product as well, shall I say. And I'm just gonna wet my brush with this MAC 6 Plus, and this one has just some gold flakes in it, so you have to shake it and it has that like spray paint sound. And I'm just gonna spray it just a little bit just to get a little wet. I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna blend it. And actually, this side I'm doing with the brush, and the next side I'm gonna just do with my beauty blender to kind of show you the 2 different ways. And I'm just gonna blend this in really well, and always get your ears and down. And normally, if I was doing this at home and I wasn't filming, I wouldn't have earrings in, so it wouldn't be so much to touch down. And I'm just gonna blend this in. Really don't have to do it. And this is the 10. I think this is the size 10 in the RT, so really big. It's face and body, so you don't have to move it that much for it to cover, because it is such a large surface brush. And you can already see how much that foundation covered. Oh, I said I was going to do this side. Beauty blender, let me do that. And I've already dampened this, but I'm just going to spray a little bit of that same Fix Plus spray. So you can see, you can use this stuff for quite a few things. And then I'm just going to dab this down. and twirl. Never swipe or drag. Just kind of dab and twirl. Make sure you get in the corners, creases. You always need a little bit more product. You can always put a little bit more. I feel like sometimes the sponge absorbs the product just a little bit more, but it always makes it just, I don't know, I'm always so torn which brush to use, honestly. So I'm just gonna pick up that same foundation, put a little bit more on my hand. I don't need that much more foundation, and I didn't put that much on my hand. I'm just gonna do a small drop of that cover effect so it doesn't change the balance I had going on. And always take your foundation and blend it down. I'm gonna hurry and blend this. And real quick. Remember to get the ear. And just continue to blend, 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 blend. You can never blend enough. I'm just gonna kind of blend. Every time after I use a brush, I always go back in with my beauty blender and just kind of dab it all in. Always remember you're gonna put some concealer so that the coverage under your eyes isn't the best. Don't worry. You're gonna put concealer on. Then I'm gonna just take my brush and go down my neck. It helps me cover the area a lot quicker. And it blends it so seamlessly. And then even though my hair covers it, I always want to make sure I'm the same color everywhere. So another quick tip, I take you can take any setting spray, but I'm gonna take my Fix Plus again and just lightly spray my face and let that sit a second. And then I'm gonna just take my beauty blender and kind of lightly press in, just the same motions you were just doing. And I just feel as if it really pushes the product really deep into my skin. As you can see, just seamlessly blended in the foundation, and it all matches into my neck, my ears, everything matches. And it's like I have a really clean slate to work with. Like everything's one great color now. Now I'm gonna go off camera and finish the rest of my makeup, and I'll be back with you to show you the finished product. So you can see I finished the rest of my makeup and really like how this look came out. It's kind of simple with a bold lip, easy to do. As you can see, my foundation just looks so smooth. I really, really enjoy this foundation. I will come to you with some more foundations and be trying out some more, let you know if I like them, if I don't like them, you know, what's good, what's not. I do some drugstore ones for you as well. Just let me know what you'd like to see in the comments, guys, and I'll see you soon.